Welcome to the topic series. Today we're talking about the new weight compensating brackets that we've built for our face shields. This is an arc shield. How it fits onto the MSA V-GARD, and how it also works on a long list of other helmets. We're showing here the AMP1 12HTX. This is a 12-calorie shield that's designed to fit this helmet and a whole variety of other helmets. It has a weight compensating bracket. The face shield is attached with our lever lock system where it mounts to the inside of the bracket, has an ergonomic chin protector, and it has these press to release helmet adapters along with a locking system. I'll demonstrate when the shield is up in the stowed position, it locks into that position. Let me first talk about these helmets for a moment. These E-style helmets for electrical use, MSA, Jackson, Bullard, Honeywell, North, and 3M. This one model, AMP1 12HTX, fits all those helmets. Those make up the bulk of the helmets that are in the marketplace. There are accessory slots on these helmets, and this is designed to fit it. So we bring the shield and bracket over and drop it into the slot. That's all it takes to mount your shield. This is the deployed position, stowed position. You'll notice when it's in the stowed position, it doesn't automatically fall down unless you pull it down. Adjustable pivots, you can make that feature to be tighter or looser. And when the shield goes up, it's roughly even with the front of the helmet. I'm putting my finger up onto the inside of the helmet and I'm balancing this on my fingertip. You could never do that if this shield was in the normal position that all the other shields are, including the ones that we make, because the shield would be about 6 to 8 inches in front of the brim and it would dump forward like that. Since an arc shield is most of the time in the stowed position, this will make it so it's the most comfortable for you because you're not having fatigue from the shield always wanting to pull forward on your helmet because it's balanced simply on your helmet. Then to lower the shield, you can nod it forward like a welding helmet. I'll demonstrate. Or you can just take it and pull it down into position for deployed. So again, weight compensating design, adjustable pivots. We have the press to release feature to remove and install it onto the helmet. We have all of the features of our ergonomic chin protector and the nanoparticle gray color. One last item to mention, we have flashlight accessories. So the flashlight is paired with this ALM that attaches without tools, snaps on, snaps off. If you want to use it, you drop it on. Now what I tell people is that when you have the flashlights on and you want to point the flashlight to where you want it to be, just move it to where you want it. In, out, up, down. Just bring it there and let go. And then you have the light in the spot where you want to have it. These flashlights are LED, long-lasting because they use so little electricity. And then if you don't want the flashlight on, you just pop it right off, it snaps off. This makes it very convenient that you can also keep an extra flashlight should it be that you want to change it out in the field. Thank you.